Welcome back to my channel. Today we shall be looking at super yacht AHPO. Please stay tuned until the end for a little bonus clip. AHPO is a super yacht with a length of 115 meters. The yacht's builder is Lurssen, who delivered SuperYacht AHPO in 2021. AHPO is listed as number 46th largest superyacht in the world. She is the 17th largest yacht built by Lurssen to date. The owner of AHPO is believed to be Jamaican billionaire Michael B. Chin. She features an exterior designed by Nuvolari Lenard and naval architecture by Lurssen Yachts. AHPO is also available to charter, and she offers guest accommodation for up to 16 guests in 8 suites. She has a crew of 36, who are specialized in creating exceptional charters. Built with a steel hull and aluminium superstructure, she offers great on-board space and is more stable when at anchor, thanks to her full displacement hull. AHPO is powered by 2 MTU engines with a total of 8,700 horsepower. She can comfortably cruise at a speed of 14 knots, and reaches a maximum speed of 20 knots. She also features at anchor stabilizers, providing exceptional comfort levels. The 5,000 gross ton yacht is described as family-focused with various sports and leisure facilities on board, including an extra-large gym on the Sky Lounge and wellness area on the lower deck. She features cutting-edge technology and engineering systems, including a heat recovery system in the generators, to heat up the swimming pool. AHPO was formerly known as Project Enzo. The name AHPO means Grand Lady in Mandarin Chinese, a very well-suited name for a superyacht of this caliber. It is believed she was sold for over $300 million. As promised on the beginning of this video, here is a bonus clip on Super Yacht Juice. Super Yacht Juice has a length of 71 meters. She was built by Fedship and was delivered in 2022. Juice has a beam of 11.66 meters, a draft of 3.65 meters, and a volume of 1,550 GT. Half a century ago, the renowned artist Ed Ruscha created Juice, a work with raised paper ribbons spelling out the letters of the same word in cursive writing. The owner of the new Fedship Juice is an avid art collector and pays homage to Ruscha's renowned work, hence her name. The $140 million superyacht exterior was designed by RWD, and her interior by Peter Marino, with naval architecture by DeVoot Naval Architects. Juice has a steel hull with an aluminium superstructure, and her top deck is built out of composite. She is powered by 2 MTU diesel engines, which brings her a top speed of 16 knots, and a cruising speed of 12 knots. She has a range of more than 4,500 nautical miles. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you have found this video interesting.